Good morning, my dear students. We meet again a new topic, sense organs. You have studied all the sense organs in previous classes. You already know that there are 5 sense organs in human beings: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. We can see, hear, smell, taste, and feel because of these 5 sensory organs. These organs collect the information and send it to the brain for processing. If any one of them is not working properly, we would not be able to either smell, see, etc. When you are outside from your home and come back and your mama prepare the noodles for you, so you easily detect what is prepared by your mama. How you detect it? Yes, you are right, correct, by smell. Now we are discuss these sense organ in some details. First is eyes. In our skull there are bony socket. Our eyeball is placed in this bony socket. From the front view, our eyes are protected by eyelids and eyelashes. Now question is, what is the role of these in our eyes? Because eyelashes and eyelids, they protect our eyes from dust and dirt. Picture you have seen on the screen, the dark structure in the front of the eyeball is called iris. In our eyes, small rounded black spot in its center is called pupil. Now it is first one, you have seen the inner view of our eyes and we have discussed one by one. First layer is the cornea. It is the protective outer layer. The cornea is the clear front surface of eyes. It lies directly in front of the iris and pupil. Now second layer is pupil. Pupil, in our pupil, our eyes, small round black spot in its center is called pupil. Pupil allow the light to enter the eyes. Third layer is retina. Retina is present at the back of the eyeball. It is a screen on which all the images get formed. Next is lens. Lens is a transparent structure in the eye along with the cornea, help to reflect the light to be focused on the retina. Now next is optic nerve. The eye is connecting to the brain by nerve is called optic nerves. It is the inner view of the eyes. Main part are cornea, pupil, iris, retina, lens and optic nerve. Now our next is nose. Nose help us to smell. In our nose, nerve ending are present which carry the message about any chemical substance that enter the nose. This enable us to smell the different substance. Smell means the odor and the fragrance. Next is ears. All living organisms like animals and human beings, we see the different types of the ears. Animals have the different types of the ears, like elephant have big ears, rabbit long, cat small, and also dog has long ears. Also human being have the different shapes of their ears. On the screen you have seen the visible portion of the ear known as the external ear. External ear many vary in the shape and size in the different animals and human beings. Now in detailed study of the human ear is divided into the three parts: the outer, middle and inner. Outer ear direct the sound to the inner ear. Middle ear has an ear drum. These small bones are present in our middle ear. Which one carry the vibration from the eardrum to the inner ear? Inner ear, that is help us to hearing and maintain the balance of our body. Now next is tongue. You already know about the tongue. It has 9,000 taste buds present in our tongue, which are sensitive to the different taste like sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Now our last sense organ is skin. It is the largest sense organ of our body. It is a natural protective covering of the entire body. Help us to feel pain, touch, pressure, hotness and coldness. These are sensory structure in our skin which help us to feel the sensation. All these are the human being sense organ, and tomorrow we will meet again the different sense organ in the different animals. Thank you.